Now we're going to be talking about general learning skills with ChatGPT. Give me a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. And there we have it. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. Sign in, create design, choose your template, upload an image, customize, add text, adjust the size, customize your background, save it, and our YouTube thumbnail is ready for YouTube. It's obviously important to know the specific skills and steps to accomplish something, but it's also important to know different terms. And each industry has their own jargon or own terms, and ChatGPT can help you understand those jargon terms quicker. Give me the top 10 jargon terms used in economics. Amazing. So here we have a breakdown of 10 jargon terms used in economics, from from GDP to inflation, deflation, and so on and so forth. It's so important to understand the jargon terms because you can read an article that throws a word out that you don't understand, but you do understand the concept of that word. So understanding the jargon helps you understand the article as a whole. Lastly, even if you do know the step-by-steps on how to do or solve a specific problem and somebody else asks you a question, maybe you don't have the time. You can use ChatGPT to answer their questions for them.